Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TransUnion credit alerts with TrueIdentity detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up TransUnion credit alerts with TrueIdentity, start by visiting the TrueIdentity website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to create a free account. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will need to provide your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Ensure that all information is accurate to prevent any issues during verification. After filling out your information, create a secure password for your account. Read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, you may be prompted to verify your identity through a series of security questions. Answer these questions based on the information available in your credit profile. Once your identity is verified, log in to your TrueIdentity account using your credentials. Navigate to the Credit Alerts section within your dashboard. Here, you will find options for setting up various types of credit alerts. Select TransUnion Credit Alerts to continue. You may be asked to agree to additional terms regarding credit alerts. Read these carefully. Next, choose the type of alerts you wish to receive, such as alerts for new accounts, hard inquiries, or changes to your personal information. You can customize how you want to receive these alerts, including via email, text message, or app notifications. Once you've made your selections, review your choices to ensure they meet your preferences. Then, click on the Activate Alerts button to finalize the setup. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your credit alerts are now active. Check your email or phone for any confirmation notifications regarding the setup. Finally, familiarize yourself with how to manage and update your alert settings in the TrueIdentity dashboard. This will ensure you remain informed about your credit status over time. You are now prepared to monitor your credit with TransUnion alerts through TrueIdentity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.